Good morning, this is Arun. Today we are going to see binary incrementer and logic micro operations. So first we will see the binary incrementer. So the increment micro operation adds one binary value to the value of binary variables stored in register. For example, 4-bit register has a value, see here it has a binary value 0110. When incremented by 1, the value becomes 0111. Okay, that is, if you add 1 here, okay, that means it will become 1110. That is what the increment micro operation, that is, it increases the value by 1. So the increment micro operation is the best implementation of by a 4-bit combinational circuit incrementer. A 4-bit combinational circuit incrementer can be represented by the following block diagram. So it has, see here, this is a half adder. So here x, y, 2 input, that is sum S0. So this is a carry that is given as a, this output carry is given as a next input to the y. Okay, so here I am adding 1 with the given number. See here 0010. So if I add 1, so the value becomes 01111. So that is what this circuit. So here A1, A0, A1, A2, A3. Similarly S0, S1, S2, S3. This carry is, if it is a 5-bit register, so it will given as an input to the another off adder. So the output of the carry is given as an input to the next y. So similarly here the output is given as the carry to the next input y. This is the 4-bit binary incrementer. So see here, the logic 1 is applied to one of the inputs of at least significant off adder, and the other input is connected to the least significant bit of the number to be incremented. So this is how they are connected. See here, the output from one off adder is connected to one of the input of the next higher order off adder. So see here, so already 1 is given as an input for this y, but the output of this off adder carry C is given as a next input as a to the y. So the binary increment circuit uses 4-bit from A0 through A3, adds 1 to it and generates the incremented output in S0 through S3. The output carry C4 will be 1 only after incrementing binary 11111. Now this is what is the binary incrementer. Now we will see the logic micro operation. So you already know logic micro operation means and or not. So now we will see the logic micro operation specify binary operations for storing of bits stored in register. So it specifies the binary operation for strings of bits stored in register. These operations consider each bit of register separately and treat them as binary variables. So logic micro operations consider each bit of registers separately and treat them as a binary variables. We will see how. Okay. See, for example, we will see the exclusive OR micro operation. So see here, exclusive OR micro operation with the content of two registers R1 and R2 is symbolized by the statement P colon R1, that is the OR operation R1 and R2 is stored in the register R1. Okay, it specifies a logic micro operation to be executed on a individual bits of registers provided that control variable P equal to 1. Based on the P, it will perform. Okay, we will see that it is a control variable P equal to 1. As the numerical example assume that each register has 4 bits. So that is R1 has 4 bits and R2 has 4 bits, that is 1010, and the content of the R2 will be 1100. The exclusive or micro operation stated above symbolizes the following logical computation. So see how it works. We will see the content of R1 after the execution of micro operation is equal to the bit by bit exclusive OR operation on the pass of bit in R2 and the previous value of R1. The logic micro operations are seldom used in scientific computations, but they are very useful for bit manipulation of binary data and for making logical decisions. So this is very useful for making logical decisions. Here, special symbols will be adopted for logical micro operation, that is for OR, and complement, to distinguish them from corresponding symbols used to express Boolean functions. So special symbols will be adopted here to distinguish from Boolean functions. The symbol, see here, this is the important thing. The symbol, that is Roman, it is Roman letter 5, will be used to denote OR operation. So this symbol, above arrow mark like symbol, will denote the AND operation. The complement operation is the same as the ones complement, used as a bar on the top of the symbol that denotes the register name. So this symbol will indicate the OR, this symbol will indicate the and the bar operation, that is it is like a bar, you know, already you have seen in mathematics. So that is dash symbol, that is above the that you used to for the complement, ones complement. Okay, by using different symbols it will be possible to differentiate between logic micro operation, that is a control or Boolean function. That is, by using different symbols we can differentiate which is OR, which is and which is ones complement. The another reason for adopting two sets of symbols is to be able to distinguish the symbol plus when used to symbolize the arithmetic plus for logic or operation. So this is for logic, arithmetic plus for logic or operation. Now although the plus symbol has two meanings, it will be possible to distinguish between them by notating where the symbol occurs. When the symbol plus occurs in a micro operation, it will denote an arithmetic plus. When it occurs in a control Boolean function, it will denote an OR operation. We will never use it to symbolize an OR operation. For example, see here, P plus Q colon R2 plus R3 is stored in R1. R5, what is this operation? This is the OR operation. So see here, this is OR operation, that is stored in R4. So then plus, the plus between P and Q is an OR operation between binary variables of a control function. Now you will understand that. So this is the OR operation. The plus symbol, see here, the plus symbol, the plus between P and Q is an OR operating between two binary variables of a control function. See here. Now this, see, the plus between R2 and R3 specifies the micro operation. So this specifies the micro operation, this specifies the OR operation. See here, this specifies OR operation, this specifies micro operation. This is the symbol. Well, see here, although the plus symbols have two meanings, it is possible to distinguish between them by notating where the symbol occurs. If the symbol occurs between P and Q, that you call it as OR operation. If it occurs between R2 and R3, that you call it as micro operation. This is the difference you should know. Now we will see the list of 16 logic micro operation that in the truth table. See here, there are 16 different logic operations that can be performed with the two binary variables. So they can be determined from all possible truth tables obtained with two binary variables as shown in the table below. In this table, each of 16 columns F02 through F15, that is 16, represents a truth table of one possible Boolean function for the two variables x and y. We will see that 16 logic micro operations. See here, this is the 16 logic micro operations. So this is a Boolean function, this is the micro operation and the name. So see here, here we are using equal to, here you are using the arrow mark, that is reverse arrow mark. So see here, f0, that is subscript f of 0, f0 equal to 0. See here, that is here assignment operator we are using, but here we are using the arrow mark. So see here, 0, that is 0 stored in the f, that is clear. So f1 equal to x comma y. So that is a and. So here we are using equal to. So see here we are using the and micro operation. This is a Boolean function, this is a micro operation. So this is and, this is b complement of and. So bar. So f3 equal to x. This is a is stored in f. So transfer of a, the content of a is stored in f. So this is here, a is complemented. So here b is complemented, here a is complemented. So here now see y is b is stored in, content of b is stored in f, that is transfer b. So this is exclusive or. See here the plus symbol is inside the circle, so that is exclusive or. So this is see normal or. So here this is NOR gate, this is complemented, the OR is complemented means that you call it as NOR. So this is exclusive NOR, that is OR gate is complemented here. So here complement B is complemented. So here R, for R we are complementing B. So here A is complemented. So these are the things what already we know. So here see for R A is complemented, here B is complemented, here the whole that is NOR gate. If now see here, this is NAND gate. So once complement, select set to all once. So these are the 16 logic micro operations. So this you should keep in mind. So you should know the difference between the Boolean function and the micro operations. So see here, so this is the Boolean function, this is the micro operation, and this is the a description for that. So that is clear. If f tends to 0, that is clear. If a in between, if you have this symbol, that is AND gate. If you have this symbol, that is OR gate. You can complement B as well as you can complement A. So that is what this 16 logic micro operation. Now we will see the hardware implementation for the logic operation. So see here, the hardware implementation of logic micro operation requires that the logic gates to be inserted for each bit or pair of bits in the register to perform the required logic function. So although there are 16 logic micro operations, most computers use only 4 and 4, that is AND, OR, XOR, exclusive OR, are complemented, from which others can be derived. By using these 4 micro operations, that is AND, OR, XOR and exclusive OR, by making the complement of them, we can derive those 16 logic operations. So here see here we have in the truth table we have 16 logic micro operations, but by using AND, OR, exclusive OR and exclusive OR, see here we can derive this by using 4 gates only. We can derive this 16 gates, 16 logic micro operations. See here, this is the one stage of logic circuit. That is what they have shown here. See here, although there are 16 logic micro operations, most computers are use only 4. That is 4 means AND, OR, XOR and exclusive OR and complement. So these are the 4: AND, OR, XOR and complement. These are the 4 things we are using, and you are performing the 16 logic micro operations. So okay, we will see that. See, it consists of 4 gates and a multiplexer. Each of the logic operation is generated through a gate and performs required logic. The outputs of the gates are applied to the data inputs of the multiplexer. The 2 selection inputs S1 and S. Based on its inputs only, it will perform whether it is going to perform an AND gate or OR gate or XOR or complement. We will see that. So see here, this is the logic circuit to perform 16 logic, one stage of logic circuit to perform 16 logic micro operation, that is from F0 to F15. See here, so S1, S0. So based on this input only, this circuit will perform AND, OR, XOR and complement. See here, AI, BI. So see here, this is a common line connected to all the inputs of AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate and complement. So if S1 0 and S0 also 0, we are giving two input as 0, this is a multiplexer. Okay, so it will perform what operation? AND operation. So you are giving 0 0, the circuit will perform AND operation. If the input S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, it will perform OR. If it is 1 0, it will perform XOR. If it is both the inputs are 1, then it will perform complement. This is how the logic operation works. Okay, we will see that. These are the explanation for those things. Some applications logic micro operation by manipulating individual bits for a portion of word stored in a register. So see here, they can be used to change bit values, delete a group of bits, insert a new bit values into a register. Okay, we will see that example. So see here, the typical application register is a processor register, and the bits of B constitute logic operand extracted from the memory and placed in the register B. So the relative set of operation sets to 1 to the bits of register A, where there are corresponding ones in register B. It does not affect the bit position that have 0 in B. The following numerical example clarifies this operation. So see here, A, B is a B logical operand. After A, see here, 1 1 1 0, that is, so here we are performing logical operand, that is AND. So see here, that is, see here, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So after A before, it becomes after this thing. Likewise, we are performing that 4 things. See here, this is logical operand. So that is logical so this is what the selective complement operation complements bit A, where there are selective clearing corresponding ones in B. It does not affect bit position that have zeros in B. For example, see here, 0 1 1 0. So A before, after the logical operand. So similarly for OR operation. So for this is what operation this is a AND operation. So you know that how to perform. So next one is mask in AND micro operation. So this is exclusive OR operation. So these are the things in the logical micro operations. Thank you. We will see in the next class.